College Win Fibro Sash Senpat Kijing Tip Namta Kubor Light Cam The Light Cam Kumba Live Hokandai Tali A Hapo Eastern West Kashil District Kipos Jong DSC Naduk LDA Terter Grade 4 LDA Terter Te Ngine Pejunta The District Selection Committee Eastern West Kashil District and one an application from Union Citizen of India and permanent resident of Eastern West Kashil District Tekat company advertisement claim ongre claim mention rehne only resident takamut ba kala wan long ba ya baro tengin sapej anda kala indala long ban apply marla sai kalong ba apply lada kalong ba ban kami be option bana ban apply mut ba kadai long ba baro markidon dala ong hangne only permanent takamut ba dapil apply kibui kibade nawe district kimyo urban apply hangne be claim mention ma tengin sapej la sai kalong namta ki Eastern West ne kadai open namta baro memaknai coba online application from Union Citizen of India and permanent resident of Eastern West Kashil District dekat company kemud ba ko open ni baro te sapej la sai yuk ke baklarut marbun ki DSC minta ki disya witang napo ka district la de wa desire to apply as per term condition advertisement filling of following vacancy okay anam pulire kine baro te kini kalong menapai naduka live kui tarik March hadu last date kre tarik ume kan mau hang tu live kui March duk tarik ume si benai te kasang naduk lasai tengen page kita ki post gejong LDA LDA temut ba class 10 pass but computer knowledge with typing speed not less than 30 words per minute kana di level 5 tekadon kumba khat lai telik post lai UR bachpo khasi janja angaro then gram sevak kadon tangkaway class 10 pass and additional gram sevak nirdon tangkaway class 10 pass enforcement checker kanerdon tangkaway 10 pass sectional assistant kaway 10 pass and assistant mechanic kanerdon tangkaway SSLC pass with a valid certificate in motor mechanic or automobile engineering from a recognized ITI. Power pump operator class 8 pass with practical knowledge in operation and maintenance of pump. Driver 8 pass must possess a valid driving license for large or medium and a heavy motor vehicle must have a fair knowledge of repairing defect. Kaner R tali post but grade 4 kumba khat pra tali a post class 6 pass mo namta ka grade 4 tanamta grade 4 kini post mami unta amdon interview shu mo kandon metanga general knowledge sispa mak te kandon saka qualifying paper yang khasi tangi ta tali hi amdon interview shu re kini kiwe te kindon hi interview te hangne dap mention ang tu mo ki post ki de bade hai te de hapo Eastern West Kashil bay te kidon hapo office of BDO tela mention under office of DC Merang terter la mention ang tu te baro kini ki total kilong live khandai tali ai ki post te nadu la sai la long ban apply te sa apply ke te kan de pra adu live news nem non kamre ban page itu te ka post kawai kan de hang ne long wa kan de sanpo tingkan am tagi SCST sanpo kawai post te rara phi apply atri long chispa lai tali long chispa sanpo ter kumta kat kum ka jing apply ka jong phi te ka method of selection kan long bai kum tai nam ta kini grade 3 kan dan ka written examination dat mungta kan computer typing senada ka de ka LDA practical test kum ka driver then asapoi saka personal interview nam ta grade 3 ma te nakamta kini kuwe dai la dimension the grade 3 description tamnan kamera examinations are as per the following syllabus order post by onam takwi post kadai ka general english nya format elementary mathematics science aptitude spale format general knowledge nya format interview live format tenam ta grade 4 bade kadai by tang grade 4 the general knowledge qualifying 100 mark in compliance to OM komputer te na ka kane kan don sakatuka language paper test mo khasi kadai sista mark pass mark sau pho te pia apply link ba kana website nya sabu ka link ro kane rpa.mekla.gov.in/rpa online apply link ba tu login ya katu la login te nadut lasai tarte da kapat long lasai mot lasai sngi kim 4 julong hi sngi arsi kim bonsin kim 4 julong hi kam 4 juton hi hapo ka website te tangini jem tip kitu ki bakwa apna apply te sa apply nam ta kini post balan tangini jem tip kuri jubun